On this page, I have scrap paper because I know I'm going to need it. We are finding the cube root of numbers and the cube of numbers. The first portion is finding the cube. The second portion is finding the cube root. So it's essentially the same as finding the square root, except that you've got the little 3 right there, which means that you're finding the cubed root. Let's begin. On the first section, we'll do the 3 together that are highlighted. Let's start with number 2, 9 cubed. Well, that means 9 times 9 times 9. I know 9 times 9 is 81 times 9. Let's see, 81 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 729. So for that, I will put equals 729. Number 3, we've got 7 cubed. 7 times 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 is 49 times 7. I'm going to multiply that one out. 49 times 7, 63, 343. There you go. 343. The cube of 7 is 343. Now let's look over at number 5. We've got 10 cubed. 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, you know how easy it is to multiply by multiples of 10. So let's do 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. We'll bring it straight across, and I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 10 cubed is 1,000. Please do not put 30. People like to put 30 for some reason. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 10 times 10 is 1 with 3 zeros. Be careful. Now, the bottom part, I'm going to do the 2 that are highlighted, and I'm going to do a couple more. The first one, the cubed root of 1,000. Well, that's pretty easy because I've got it right here. The cube of 10 is 1,000. So the cubed root of 1,000 is 10. And I don't know about that one. So I'm going to save that for last because that's a big number and I don't see that over here. I am, however, going to use the work I did up here to find answers down here. So let's see, 729. I happen to have that down there. Since 9 cubed is 729, the cubed root of 729 is 9. 343. Do I have, oh, here it is. 7 cubed is 343. Therefore, the cubed root of 343 is 7. And I don't know what that is. It's bigger than 1,000. And 10 is my biggest number here. So it's not going to be one of these. I'm just going to start trial and error. So this is 1,000 is 10. 1,331 is bigger than 1,000. So I'm going to say the cube root is going to be bigger than 10. Let me try 11. This is the method you've got to do in order to figure out the cube root of something. Trial and error. So let's try 11 cubed. That would be 11 times 11 times 11. Well then, 11 times 11 be okay, so 11 times 11 is 121 times another 11. Okay, so let's see. 121 times another 11. This will be 121. Put the 0. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1,331. Okay, let's see, what was that number? Well, I got lucky. It was my first try. Sometimes it may take 2 or 3 or even 4 tries before you find the right one. We got lucky on this one. The cubed root of 1,331 is 11. But I felt pretty confident it would probably be 11 because that number is only, 331 bigger than that. And when you cube numbers, they go up fast. So all the other numbers here, you should be able to use these to figure out what the cubed root is. So you should be set on the rest. And I helped you do the hardest ones. This one is not up there, but I think that you can figure out what the cubed root of 1 is. I think you are set to go.